Hey guys, I am Adi Alem. You're watching Adi Gamer. So today I will show you how you make a game. What do you call it? A gaming thumbnail for your videos. First you search the game's name. First you just write the game's name. I will just take PUBG Mobile for example. Then search background 1280 by 720. Then tick search, then go to images and choose one. I have downloaded it already, and cut all, but save the name and add and search PUBG Mobile characters or the game and characters PNG. Then download one, but only one player, and it is transparent. I have downloaded one. So now I will show you how you make it. First you have to download PixArt, or third you have to download PixArt. Then you go to plus, you choose a background, the background which you downloaded, and then you go to effects, then blur it. If it's not enough blurred, then you can do it, then you can adjust it. I have adjust it. Then you will download a PNG of speed lines. It should be a PNG. Then tick and add photo. Then add the character. I have choose the wrong one. If it's not a PNG, you can make it a PNG. I will link the website where you make it a PNG. Okay, then you adjust it, adjust the size, and take it to the side and take. Shit, you don't need to take. Then you go to effects and you do FX and HDR. Make it HDR. No adjustment here. This is HDR. And then you go to text. You have a sentence, you need to divide it like a 5-letter sentence. You need to do it 2 by 1 and 3. Then you can make up your own. And then like I will do I have written PUBG. Wait a minute. Okay, then you have it here. You adjust the size, take it to this side, go to color, get your color. I will choose red. Go to stroke, adjust it, take. You can add various options, and then you go to text, write the letter, a font, no need, then color, stroke, and stroke. I will show it after my text. Then you make it. I have made it. Then it's done. Save it to the gallery and you have done it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel and comment down below what should I do next.